welcome to the University of the Philippines, Diliman in Quezon City. I am Kyla Maytarnate, but you can call me Kyla in your tour guide today.
On behalf of Travel and Tours Destination, I'd like to take a minute to familiarize you with the area and discuss some brief safety precautions. First, I ask that you remain seated until we reach our destination. Now we are waiting for first destination. Let me introduce you the University of the Philippines. Diliman has thousands of people from across the nation and around the world visit the 493 hectares of the UP Diliman campus. The Diliman campus prides itself on several sites of interest and other cultural sites, such as museums and performance spaces. The Oblation Plaza encompasses the front lawn of Quezon Hall and the pedestal upon which the 3.5-meter high Oblation statue is mounted, located at the end of the University Avenue. It was inaugurated in 1974 and designed by Nathaniel John Gerochi Dueñas. Before, the plaza was a green and well-manicured lawn. Now, it has a reflecting pool with a fountain which at night featured lights dancing to music. The Oblation Plaza remains one of the main attractions for campus visitors. The Oblation Plaza and the adjacent Quezon Hall lobby are also the main rallying points for many activities, both official and unofficial, on campus. Among the activities centered around it are the pag-iilaw, the traditional opening of the Christmas festivities on campus, the Scouts Parade, opening linggo ng pagpaparangal, and the most colorful event on campus, the Lantern Parade. Thank you, my dear tourists. I hope you enjoy our tour here in University of the Philippines, Diliman. I hope that this experience will be to all of you.